Welcome. In this guide, we'll walk through how to add funds to your Adcash account. To get started, open the Finance tab and select Payments. You can also click the wallet icon in the top navigation bar. Once you're in the Payments section, click Add Funds. Before making your first payment, you may be asked to fill in your billing and contact details. Once that's done, enter the amount you'd like to add to your wallet. Next, choose your preferred payment method. Adcash supports several payment options, including credit card, bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill, Revolut, Capitalist, and cryptocurrency such as USDC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. After selecting your payment method, click Proceed to make payment. You'll then be redirected to the payment provider to securely complete the transaction. Once the payment is successful, you'll be redirected back to Adcash, where you'll see a transaction summary. If you choose to pay via bank transfer, Adcash will provide you with bank details and a unique reference number. Make sure to include this reference number in your payment description. If needed, you can also generate a pro forma invoice directly from the platform before completing your payment. After your first successful deposit, you'll also have the option to enable automatic payments for a smoother campaign management experience. And that's it. Your account is now funded and ready to launch campaigns on Adcash.